Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop in a new country, the smell of coffee, people talking, the barista waiting for your order, and suddenly your mind goes blank. Today, that changes. After this episode, you'll order coffee, ask questions, and respond naturally like a real English speaker.
Exactly. No fear, no confusion. Real conversations, real situations, real English you will use the next time you walk into any cafe. Let's make you confident before you ever step inside one.
So, Leo, let's start with something simple. When you enter a coffee shop, what's the first thing you usually say?
I usually say something polite, like, hi there, or good morning. It helps create a friendly start.
Right. And beginners often think they need long sentences, but simple is powerful. Hi, hello, good morning, how's it going? All work perfectly.
Yes, and tone matters more than grammar. A small smile, a calm voice, and you instantly sound confident.
Let's imagine we enter the cafe together. Ready?
Sure. I'll be the barista for a moment.
Okay. I walk up to the counter. Hi, could I see the menu, please?
And I say, of course. Here you go. Are you looking for something hot or cold today?
Perfect question. And I answer, I think something hot. Beginners should practice this type of thinking out loud. It sounds natural.
Yes, and it gives you time to speak without pressure. Like, let me think, or just a moment.
Exactly. Now I say, can you recommend something?
I respond, sure. Our most popular drink is the caramel latte. Would you like to try it?
This is a great moment for a beginner to practice choosing. So I say, that sounds good. What sizes do you have?
And I answer, we have small, medium, and large.
Many learners forget how to say their preference, but it's easy. I'll take a medium, or medium is fine, or medium, please.
True, and they should practice speaking slowly, not fast. Slow English still sounds good if you say it clearly.
Next, the barista asks the classic question, would you like anything else?
Yes, that one always makes beginners nervous.
Exactly, so let's model it. I'd like a muffin too. That's all, thank you. No, just the drink, all simple, all natural.
Right, and payment phrases matter too. You can say, can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Here you go. Keep the change.
Yes, and then when waiting for your drink, another small phrase helps you sound friendly. Thank you. Take your time. No rush.
Sometimes people worry about understanding their name being called, but it's simple. If the barista asks, what's your name? You just answer, Sara or Leo or whatever your name is.
Exactly. And if they mispronounce the name, it's totally fine. Just smile and pick up your drink.
Let's do a full, natural example conversation for beginners. Ready?
Let's go.
I'm the barista. Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, a chocolate muffin.
Great. Your total is $5.90.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready soon.
See? That's a full conversation with simple English.
Yes, and beginners can memorize it easily.
Now, let's switch roles.
Okay, you're the barista this time.
Hello, what would you like?
I'd like an iced coffee, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon.
That's perfect. And now, let's talk about mistakes learners often make.
Yes, one is thinking they must speak long sentences. No, short is fine. Medium latte, one muffin, just this.
Another mistake, speaking too fast. You don't need to. Slow and clear is better.
let's practice more variations so beginners can build confidence.
Sure. Can I get a cappuccino? Do you have almond milk? Is this drink sweet? What do you recommend? Simple questions, big impact.
Now, let's do a longer natural dialogue, like two friends meeting in a cafe.
Yes, because many people want to practice friendly, everyday English.
Hey, Leo, over here.
Oh, hey, Sarah. Sorry, the line was long.
No worries. Did you order something?
Yeah, I got a hot chocolate. What about you?
Just a latte. I needed something warm.
Cold weather days always make coffee taste better.
Exactly. And cafes are great places to practice English because conversations are short and simple.
Right. You don't need big grammar, just natural phrases.
Okay, let's continue more in part 2.
Yes, we'll explore longer real-life cafe situations, misunderstandings, and natural responses in part 2.
If you've ever worried about misunderstanding the barista or freezing when someone asks you a quick question, this part will help you speak confidently, even in unexpected cafe situations.
Yes, because real conversations aren't perfect. People speak fast, music is loud, and sometimes you don't hear the question. Today, you'll learn how to handle all of that easily.
Let's start with a real problem beginners face, not hearing what the barista said.
Exactly. And the solution is simple. Just say, sorry, or could you say that again? Or I didn't catch that.
Yes, and these phrases sound natural, not rude. Let's demonstrate.
I'm the barista. Would you like that hot or iced?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. See? Very easy.
Another common moment is when the barista asks, for here or to go?
Yes, many people freeze at that one.
Just say, for here, to go, or take away, depending on the country.
Let's do a quick example.
What can I get for you today?
A cappuccino, please.
For here or to go?
For here. Simple.
Now, another useful skill is correcting the order politely.
Right. If you receive the wrong drink, just say, I'm sorry, I think this isn't my order. Or, I ordered a latte, not a mocha.
Yes, polite and clear. Let's show an example.
Hi, I ordered a medium latte.
Oh, sorry about that. I'll fix it for you right away.
Beginners should know they don't need perfect grammar to sound polite. Tone is everything.
Also, asking about ingredients is common. Does this have sugar? Is this drink sweet? Do you have oat milk? Is it dairy-free?
All short questions that help you sound confident.
Let's practice a full realistic cafe moment, including a small misunderstanding.
Okay, I'll play the customer.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a large iced latte?
Sure. Would you like sugar in it?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Would you like sugar in it?
No sugar, thank you.
All right. Anything else?
That's all.
Your total is $4.50.
Here's my card.
Perfect. Your drink will be ready shortly.
Now let's do one more with some natural small talk.
Great idea.
Hi there. Busy day today?
Oh yeah, lots of customers this morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Just needed a coffee break.
I totally understand. Coffee saves the day.
Small talk finished, drink ordered, natural, simple, real. Now, let's practice a conversation between two friends sitting in the cafe.
Yes, because many learners want to speak socially too.
I love this place. It's quiet.
Yeah, and the Wi-Fi is good. Perfect for work.
What did you order?
I ordered a caramel macchiato. You?
A vanilla latte. I wanted something sweet.
I think beginners should practice these small, simple answers. They build confidence.
Absolutely. And cafes are great places to meet people. Is anyone sitting here? Do you mind if I join you? Simple and friendly.
Okay, let's save the long, natural role plays for part 3.
Yes. Part 3 will include advanced variations, longer conversations, and more real-life cafe situations. So, let's continue from where we stopped. We practiced customer barista conversations and friend-to-friend small talk. Now, I want to go deeper into situations that actually happen inside a coffee shop. The moments most learners never practice, but experience in real life.
Yes, like when the cafe is crowded, or when someone accidentally takes your drink, or when you need to change your order at the counter. These moments feel stressful for beginners, so practicing them here will help them stay confident outside.
Exactly. Let's start with one very common moment. Your name gets called, but the pronunciation is wrong. That happens even to native speakers.
Right, and the response is very simple. You just walk up and say, "That's me." No need to correct the name unless it matters to you. Let's play it out.
Sara? Sara? I'm sorry if I said it wrong.
That's me, thank you.
Easy. Now another situation. Someone is standing too close to you in line. You want to maintain space without sounding rude.
A polite sentence works. "Excuse me, could you please give me a little space?" Very gentle and respectful.
Or even shorter. "Sorry, could you step back a bit?"
Let's act it.
You're the customer. I'm behind you standing too close.
"Sorry, could you give me a little space?"
Oh, of course. Sorry about that.
Perfect. Quick, calm, and effective.
Now let's do a more detailed scenario. A seated conversation between two people who want to study in the cafe.
Yes, those moments include ordering, settling down, talking about the noise level, and making small conversations.
Did you find a good seat?
Yeah, this spot is great. There's a power outlet right next to the table.
Perfect. I need to charge my laptop. Did you already order?
Not yet. I was waiting for you. What are you getting?
I think I'll get a flat white today. And maybe a croissant.
That sounds good. I might try the mocha. I need something sweet.
Okay, let's go order. Do you want to pay separately or together?
Let's do separately. It's easier.
And then after ordering?
I love the smell of this place. Coffee shops always feel relaxing.
Yes, and the background noise actually helps me focus.
That's true. It feels like a soft hum that keeps you awake, but not distracted.
Do you come here often?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. It's my favorite place to work.
Now, let's shift to another scenario, asking for recommendations.
Yes, many learners feel shy about this, but baristas love giving suggestions.
Hi, can you recommend something not too sweet?
Sure, you might like the cappuccino. It has a strong coffee flavor and it's not sugary.
Great, I'll try that.
Or if you want something sweet, you say, "Do you have anything sweet but not heavy?"
Yes, like a vanilla cold brew or a caramel latte, light but sweet.
Another realistic scene is when you need to wait longer than expected.
Yes, some cafes take time during rush hours.
Let's practice.
Hi, I ordered a chai latte about 10 minutes ago. Is it almost ready?
Let me check. Yes, it's coming up now. Sorry for the delay.
No problem, thank you.
Using calm, simple language always works.
Now, let's add another natural moment. Someone asks if they can share your table.
Yes, cafes often get full and people look for seats.
Hi, is the seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Or, if you need privacy, I'm sorry, I'm waiting for someone.
Very polite and clear.
Let's create a long, natural flow of conversation between two strangers who start talking while sharing a table.
Great idea. I'll begin.
Hi, is it okay if I sit here? Everywhere else is full.
Of course, go ahead.
Thanks. It's really busy today, isn't it?
Yeah, it gets like this every weekend. People love this place.
Do you usually come here to work?
Sometimes. I like the atmosphere. How about you?
I come here to read. The noise helps me stay focused.
That's interesting. I need total silence, but for some reason cafes feel relaxing.
Maybe because everyone is doing something. It makes you feel productive.
True. What are you reading?
A novel. I try to read a little every day.
That's a good habit.
And then their drinks arrive.
Is that your latte?
Yes, thank you. And that looks like your mocha.
Yep, that's mine.
Let's continue with another natural scenario, asking to borrow something.
Excuse me, do you have a pen I can borrow?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I'll give it back in a minute.
Simple and friendly.
Now, let's do the Wi-Fi password moment. It's extremely common.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on the receipt.
Oh, I didn't notice. Thank you.
Or, if the password isn't working, sorry, the Wi-Fi isn't connecting. Is there a different password?
Yes, it changed this morning. Use this one.
Perfect. Now, let's do a long, realistic exchange between two friends, planning something while having coffee.
Okay, so what time do we meet tomorrow?
Maybe around 2?
That works. Should we meet here again?
Yeah, it's quiet during the weekdays.
Great. I want to bring my laptop. I have a lot of work to finish.
No problem. I'll bring my notes.
And then they talk about their drinks.
How's your latte?
It's really good. I think this cafe makes the best one in town.
Mine is sweet, but not too sweet. Perfect.
Now, let's bring the episode to a natural closing.
Yes, let's end with one final long role play. Ordering, asking a question, reacting naturally, and finishing the conversation.
Hi, can I get a medium flat white?
Sure. Would you like any flavor added?
No flavor, thanks. And could you make it extra hot?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Do you have anything chocolate?
We have chocolate muffins and brownies.
I'll take a muffin, please.
All right, your total is $5.90.
Here's my card.
Great. Your drink will be ready at the counter.
Thank you.
That's your order right there.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too.
And that brings us to the end of this episode. We practiced real conversations, polite sentences, problem solving, small talk, and natural cafe language.
Yes, and with this much practice, learners will feel much more confident next time they visit a coffee shop.
Exactly. Great work today.